And welcome to another edition of Hiroyuki Terada, Diaries of a Master Sushi Chef. Hiro-san, how are you?
Hi. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon to you. Got a great follow-up recipe to the salmon skin that you had made in the previous episode. Let's tell everybody what you're doing today, Hiro.
Yes, today so we're gonna do salmon, kind of salmon wrap. So some sliced salmon and the salmon skin and the light on radish inside.
Okay.
And the here you can see the scallion. So this one I'm gonna do it's kind of tie wrap. So first I'm gonna do this one into the boiling water. Then after I'm gonna put into the ice water. It's quick to make it cooling down.
Okay.
So this one I'm gonna use for the tie wrap. So then after that I'm gonna decoration. It's on the way. The ikura is on the way. So ikura on the decoration.
Okay.
Maybe we're gonna do. Last time we were actually using the gold flake, but maybe not today. So anyway, so first process, let's do scallion.
Okay.
The boiling process.
Now, how long do you leave it in here until it's all soft?
This one you have to see. You have to check in the to become. This is a pretty big one, so
Yeah.
usually I just use a green spot. So this scallion unfortunately doesn't have much of the green spot, so I have to use in the white spot too. So
Okay.
yeah, this white part is a little more tough, so I put it this side first.
Okay.
Then I'm gonna put everything inside. That's it. Then keep in the ice water.
Pretty quick, huh?
So this one, once cooling down, I'm gonna put on the paper towel and take water out. Like that. Like this.
Okay.
So now I have to take out this stuff. Like that. Okay, then I'm gonna cut a little bit smaller. Like that.
Okay. Well, it's very thin.
Yeah. Like this. I want to keep 3 pieces. Slice thinner as much you can.
Okay.
Like that. Okay, next one is the salmon skin.
Okay. Do you need the bamboo mat or no? It's all by hand,
No,
right?
by the hand.
Okay.
So I'm gonna pick a little bit of daikon radish here
Okay.
and salmon skin. Like that. Okay, and the next one is the scallion tied up. And scallions here. This thing's on the top. Like this. And then if you want to, you can trimming out this point.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna do that.
Yeah, let's trim it up. I've seen the other videos you're making. You trim
Little
up
bit of
sections.
edge.
It looks really nice. Yeah.
Inside the salmon skin's inside, so a little bit tough. So
Yeah.
just to clean it up.
Oh, that waste, Hiro. What are we going to do?
You can put on the rice and the
Exactly. A lot of waste.
chirashi. But that's not how the restaurant make it looks nice. The way. This one I made another video too. That
With the salmon tartare.
yeah, salmon tartare.
Just get a peeler and just,
Yeah, just use the peeler.
yeah,
Easy.
easy way to garnish.
That was my mistake. Okay. One, two, three. Three is okay.
Okay.
Okay. And a little piece of ikura on the top. Okay, that's it.
Wow, that looks really good, Hiro. Beautiful piece of work and delicious, I am sure. This is really like a salmon lover's roll. The real salmon lover's roll, you know?
Salmon skin,
Everything salmon.
salmon ikura.
Oh yeah, you got the whole 9 yards. Hiro, thank you so much.
Alright, thank you.
It's really truly a beautiful dish. Thank you.
Thanks.
If you guys like this video at home, please give it a like, comment, share it. Don't forget to subscribe. We hope to see you very, very soon. Thank you.
Thank you.
And here we are, Hiro-san, the tasting part
Yes.
of this beautiful salmon lover's roll. I can't wait to try it myself. Okay, Hiro,
Okay.
give it a try and let me know. Everything salmon roll. What are you thinking?
Of course, inside salmon skin inside.
Yeah.
and then like daikon radish.
Right. Gives
Yeah,
a
that's
nice
pretty good
crunchy
combination.
texture, right? Let me try this myself. That's right.
Not bad.
I like it. First, you chew into that soft salmon skin. I'm sorry, the salmon
Soft
meat.
salmon is coming.
Yeah. You get to the daikon, then the salmon skin, and then I tasted more of the salmon, but at the end, the salmon skin finishes it off. It's really delicious. I really like it. Hiro-san, thank you so much.
Hey, thank you very much.
Hope you guys can try to make this at home, because you don't know what you're missing. It is delicious. Well, thanks again. See y'all soon.